In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF link in Wix step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're looking to share a downloadable document, provide resources, or add a professional touch to your website, adding a PDF link can be incredibly useful. Wix makes this process straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can do it confidently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly link a PDF to your Wix site, creating a more interactive and resourceful experience for your visitors. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is where you can see all your active websites and manage their settings. If you're not already logged in, make sure you've got your account information handy. Now navigate over to the My Site section. This is where all your websites are listed. Select the specific website you want to edit by clicking on it. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to ensure you're choosing the correct one. This will open up the settings and editing options for that particular site. Next, we're going to open the Wix Website Editor for the site you selected. This is the tool where all the magic happens. It's where you can make changes to your sites, design, content, and functionality. Give it a second to load, and once it's ready, you'll see your website appear in the editor view. From here, locate the text where you want to insert the PDF link. This could be a title, a sentence, or even a call to action phrase like download the PDF here. Take a moment to identify the exact spot where the link will go. If the text you want to use isn't already on your site, you can quickly type it out in the editor. Once you've found or created the text, highlight it. This is an important step because highlighting the text tells the Wix editor which part of the text you're planning to make interactive. Simply click and drag your cursor across the text to select it. With the text highlighted, look at the toolbar that appears above or near the text. You'll notice a small chain link icon, which represents the link tool. Click on that icon. This opens up the link configuration menu, where you can specify the type of link you want to create. In the link menu, select the web address option. This is the setting that allows you to link to an external URL, including the URL of your PDF document. Once you've selected web address, you'll see a field where you can paste the URL. Now, paste the full URL of your PDF document into the provided field. Make sure you have the correct link to your PDF ready to go. If your PDF is hosted online, you can copy its URL from your hosting platform or storage service. Before moving on, it's a good idea to double-check the URL you just pasted. Look closely to ensure there are no typos, extra spaces, or missing characters. Mistakes in the URL can prevent the link from working properly, so it's always worth taking an extra moment to verify. Once you're confident that the URL is accurate, click on the Done button. This saves the link configuration and applies it to the highlighted text. Just like that, your PDF link has been added to your Wix site. And that's it. You now know how to add a PDF link to your Wix website step by step. It's a simple but powerful way to enhance your site and provide valuable resources to your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.